Can you edit a comment on Instagram? What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to see if it is possible for you to edit and comment on Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The first thing you need to do is open up Instagram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, what you can do is find the comment that you want to edit. So for example, I'm just going to scroll down and I'm just going to comment something on this post, something like this. And once you do that, as you can see here, if I just long press on the comment, there is no option to edit. You can add it to your story or delete it, and there are no other options. So unfortunately, you cannot directly edit a comment on Instagram, but what you can do is simply go ahead and long press on it, delete the comment, and then repeat what you wanted to edit. So you can re-comment what you wanted and then tap on send. And now this way your previous comment will be deleted and you have updated your comment successfully. As of now, this is the only way to update your comment, but if Instagram brings out the new edit feature, then we'll be the first one to let you know. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you get notified. Now, I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.